Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting the exact audio you want and trimming it down to 40 seconds or less. This is critical because the iPhone enforces ringtone length. Once chosen, convert the track to AAC if needed using iTunes or an audio converter so the file is editable. Make sure your phone is connected and trusted by the computer. This allows file transfer and ringtone syncing. Now create an AAC duplicate with the start and end times set to your selected section, so the ringtone is isolated and ready. Next, export that trimmed AAC segment from iTunes or Finder. Choose the option to create a new file from selection so your ringtone is a standalone file. Once exported, locate the M4A file in Finder or Explorer and change the extension to M4R. This is the ringtone format iOS recognizes. If your system hides extensions, reveal them first. After renaming, tidy your library. Delete the temporary AAC entry from iTunes so you don't end up with duplicate tracks or sync confusion later. Finally, add the M4R to your device by dragging it into the Tones section in iTunes or syncing via Finder on Mac OS. If using iTunes, ensure tone syncing is enabled. Once synced, open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone and pick your new tone. Make sure to test by assigning it to a contact or your default tone. If the ringtone doesn't appear, recheck the file extension, restart the phone, and perform a USB sync to force recognition. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.